Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday morning. I'm going to call this Whimsical Wednesday. Last night, because I was home alone, I got to prepare and play with some stuff, just to have fun. I did a steak and cabbage and other veggie goodies to include red bell pepper, sliced white mushrooms, onion. The sauce actually started with my Jamaican curry blend and some soy sauce and some white wine. Oh, it was really good. And I served that over white rice. I love white rice. And I love brown rice. Tonight, I'm preparing a recipe that I did some research for a friend of mine who had this dish. It was a store-bought, whatever, heat and serve type thing. I'm preparing Chop Suey tonight. Let's get to it. Got the hardware. It is Wok Wednesday. Yes, I used the wok last night, and I'm using the wok today. It is my favorite cooking piece in my kitchen. I got some pork tenderloin. Okay, this is a long list of veggies. There is celery, snow peas, garlic, red onion, baby bok choy, sliced baby bella mushrooms, red bell pepper, mung bean sprouts, water chestnuts, and bamboo shoots. Wow. For the sauce is oyster sauce, soy sauce, chicken stock, kosher salt, black pepper, and cornstarch for a thickener. Wow, that is a lot of veggies. But that's okay. They're yummy. They're fresh. Yes. On this Whimsical Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.